Have you ever felt drawn to God, but not yet ready to fully step forward? Hi friends, brothers and sisters. My name is Nino from the Servants of the Living God community in Ormoc, and welcome to Pathways of Hope. In today's Gospel from John chapter 7 verses 40 to 53, we see different reactions to Jesus. Some people begin to believe in him, saying he is the prophet or even the Christ. Others doubt him because of where he comes from, and the religious leaders outright reject him. There is confusion, debate, and even tension among the people. Yet in the middle of all this, a quiet voice speaks up, Nicodemus, who reminds the leaders that the law requires a fair hearing before judgment. It's not a bold declaration of faith, but it is a step, a small movement toward truth. And this is where we find hope, because many of us are like Nicodemus. We may not always have the courage to stand firm in our faith. We may still have doubts, questions, or even fears about what others will think. Sometimes we recognize that God is working in our lives, but we hesitate. We stay quiet. We take small steps instead of big leaps. But the gospel reminds us, God is patient with our process. Nicodemus didn't become a bold follower overnight. His journey was gradual, from moment of quiet defense to later seeking Jesus in the night, and even eventually helping care for his body. His faith grew step by step. And maybe, brothers and sisters, that's how God is working in us too. Growth in faith is not always instant or dramatic. Sometimes it's choosing to pray even when distracted. It's choosing to listen instead of argue. It's choosing to stand for what is right, even in small and in quiet ways. These little steps matter, brothers and sisters. They are signs that our hearts are opening. So if you feel like your faith is still at work, in progress, don't be discouraged. What matters is that you are moving, even slowly, towards Jesus. Amen. Again, my name is Nino, and if you have been blessed by this reflection, please like and share Pathways of Hope to your friends and loved ones. Today, let's take that one small step toward God, because even in our smallest step, when done in faith, it leads us closer to His truth, to His light, and to His life.